Good morning, Innovation Hour class, and this is the very first screencast for our first week of virtual learning. Every week, every Monday, one of these will go up to explain to you guys what we're going to be doing this week, and then any assignments that I make will be due by Friday at 2 p.m. Just to kind of quick overview of some new things that I have added in Classroom for you guys. First off, on Saturday, I put up a announcement that has a screencast, kind of an introduction of our class format and how that's going to work. So be sure you read through that so you understand kind of how things are changing at this point. And then this morning I added the Zoom link for you guys. I will be live every Monday through Friday during our regular scheduled class time, which is 12 to 12:30. It is not required that you attend every day, but if you have any questions or concerns, please stop in and talk with me. This link will remain the exact same throughout the rest of this virtual class, so always come back here to find this link. And then, like I said here, all assignments and resources for the week will be posted Monday morning, along with the screencast, just like this one, to explain the assignments. This is officially screencast number 1. Guys, if you ever have any questions, visit the live virtual classroom at Zoom, which is, the link is right here, and it's also right here. And you can also, I didn't mean to click on it, you can also email me if you guys have any questions. So that's the first part of the things that are changing. The classwork tab, once again, is always the key. I encourage you guys to always click on classwork. You'll notice I have a new folder for you guys entitled 30-Day Challenge. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to continue our projects as we had planned because the majority of students in the class cannot get the resources that they need because they are on school materials and equipment. So we're going to have to change some things in order to meet the requirements of the class. I hope you guys will find this interesting and beneficial for you guys. Once again, you're going to get to pick your projects. But this is the explanation of the 30-day challenge assignment details. I am sorry that we have to adjust things a bit in the class. It is something I guarantee you I did not see coming. But we still have to meet the course requirements in order for you guys to get credit for this class. So this assignment can be easily adapted when we return to school, which I hope we do because I miss you guys. But this will be your project for the next 6 weeks. So regardless of whether we go back to school or not, this is something that you will be doing for the rest of the semester. This is the Google Doc that explains the assignment. So first off, this is the 30-day challenge. This kind of explains to you that this will still enable us to have our innovation fair if we go back, school, which I hope we do. But this will still allow us to have our innovation fair in May. And it also gives us the flexibility if we don't go back to complete the course goals. So we watched this video, try something new at the beginning of this semester, but I encourage you guys to go back and watch it again. It's a very, very short video clip about 30-day challenges and somebody who has done quite a few of them. And then I want you guys to design and develop your own 30-day challenge. This can be one that you find online. It can be inspired by ideas online that you took and then made them your own. Or it can be completely designed by you. It needs to be adjusted to actually be beneficial for you. So think about something you're interested in and then build a 30-day challenge around that. To develop this challenge, think about something you want to change in your life or something you want to try that you haven't had the chance to before, and you're going to work on it for 30 days. Research shows that if you do something for 30 days in a row, it starts to become a habit. So that's why they picked this 30-day idea. It's also beneficial if you have a bad habit that you want to stop. So for example, I'm going to develop a 30-day challenge along with you guys about working on decreasing my screen time. Throughout this whole coronavirus pandemic, I have become very paranoid and have read all kinds of articles online and have scared myself. So I am going to try to decrease that screen time, which hopefully will decrease the stress in my life. So I included, there are 3 websites here that you guys can visit that have some inspiration ideas for you. I honestly also strongly encourage you guys to go to Pinterest. They have specific outlines for 30-day challenges. Like if you want to live a healthier lifestyle or you want to increase productivity, they have 30-day challenges for each of those where this is what you do on day 1, day 2, day 3. So it's really interesting. I would highly suggest Pinterest is a great place to go for that. So requirements for this project. Your weekly assignments are going to be a blog entry while we're working on this as well. So basically your first blog is where you guys are going to tell me what your 30-day challenge is going to be. So today I'm introducing the project. You have until Friday. I know it's kind of a condensed time, but on Friday at 2 o'clock is when your first blog is due. The details for that are in Classroom, and I'll show you guys in just a little bit. Then you will have, during the challenge, you'll begin your challenge next Monday. And so then you will write April 9th will be blog number 7. April 17th is blog 8. April 24th is blog 9. And May 1st is blog 10. Then we will have a final presentation. And the format of that will depend on whether we go back to school or not. But I have ideas for both ways that we will be adjusting. And that final presentation will be due by May 13th in honor of the seniors' last day. So that is the basic outline for your 30-day challenge. I also included the link for the video right here for you guys as well so that you can watch the video. It is short, so I encourage that you guys look at that. Okay. This is your blog post number 1. So this is what I'm going to be looking for by this Friday. Technically, this is blog number 6 on your Google site, but it is also the first blog post for the 30-day challenge. So if you guys want to start renaming it blog number 1 30-day challenge, that's fine. Or if you want to just continue with blog 6, it's fine. I want to stress, use complete sentences and be specific in your responses. Don't just give me one-word answers. You guys are going to get 10 points a week for these blog posts, so make sure that you're explaining your answers. What is something you want to change in your life is the first question. So basically you're going to tell me, what is it that you plan to change? What are you going to work on? How are you going to accomplish this goal? The third one is, how will you hold yourself accountable? So obviously you're going to have the blog posts, the weekly reports back to me, but how else are you guys going to hold yourself accountable for this and actually make yourself do this? Because it is going to take some work and dedication for it. What do you need in order to accomplish this goal? Are there any resources? Guys, if there are resources, you are picking your own goals here, so make sure they are resources that you can actually get. It's something that you already have would be great. And then the fifth one is include a picture of yourself in a way that represents your goal before beginning. So put a picture or video online that's going to represent your goal from the very beginning and how you're starting off. So that is your challenge. That is where we're going to start off this week. So you should be in your Google Sites, which if you go to your sites.google.com, you should come to this page. Remember, if you go to new Google Sites, that should take you where you need to be to find your Google site. This is the one that this is the one that I shared with you guys. I clicked on the wrong one, I think. No, I didn't. We're good. Okay, so this is how it should be set up. Guys, if we do not go back to school, well, actually, regardless if we go back to school or not, this first page is where you guys are going to reflect on your project overall, but you should have the weekly blog, and you guys should be entering things underneath that. And I did open the wrong site. I apologize. The actual model that I shared with you guys is right here. I'm sorry about that. And then your weekly blogs, if you'll remember, you have the date here, and then you answer the questions, and you include the picture. And remember, layouts are always over here. This is where you guys can control your layouts. Make sure you are on insert, because that's what's going to control the layout for this page. So if you guys have any questions, please drop in on Zoom. I'll be happy to chat with you. That's why I'm going to be there for 30 minutes every day just for you guys. So please let me know if you have any questions or send me an email. Guys, please stay healthy, safe, and calm through this. So thank you guys. And if I don't see you on Zoom this week, I'll talk to you next week in a screencast. Bye.